actual challenges include climate challenges as well as health challenges. We argue that increasingly frequent calamities tell us we are going through a climate crisis. All will agree that calamities happen and need to be prevented. We argue that increasingly frequent health challenges tell us we are going through or entering an unedited health crisis. All will agree that numerous health challenges have become semi-permanent, and that health challenges need to be prevented. Our health organizations announced a coming crisis, sometimes under the name Disease X. Our health organizations consulted the relevant markers and saw clear indications of a coming crisis. Avoid challenges and crises, and invert them into thriving. Biodiversity solves or reduces the risk for health challenges and crises, more specifically the breakthrough of zoonoses, and also allows for exceptional health. Health crises are related to the breakthrough of zoonoses, including the enigmatic medieval Black Death, as well as all bacterial epidemics during the past 13,000 years. It is proven and known that agroforests and forests provide a maximum or optimum of biodiversity. If we act upon carbon agroforest as the next food-producing revolution, we will solve the ongoing and increasing problems of soil degradation, lack of biodiversity and resources, and all these in one go. Further, we will also solve, however more indirectly, our health and climate challenges, and after solving our direct and indirect challenges, in combination with the free all-round resource of carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere, in combination with abundant production of food and of all we need, like a consequence we and most other species will thrive and become safer from eventual extinction. Some of the challenges to succeed are: A complete study on how agroforests cause exceptional health in humans. From there on all is clear, since we already know that exceptional health prevents or eases degenerative diseases and health crises. B. To overcome the general lack of knowledge of what carbon agroforests are. This because the lack of knowledge always causes resistance, lack of support and division. C. To overcome the possible resistance from certain industries that could be reluctant to adapt, this even so when also their potential to win is unedited. Once it is clear that the general public understands the advantages and potential of carbon agroforest, including the extreme advantages for their health, this because of the complementation of the studies, no industry will go on to resist, and they will all dive in and invest, simply because traditional agriculture, that is unsustainable, and therefore more costly, will stand no chance. Independent of possible initial resistance, it is clear that all parties will win with carbon agroforests. This includes the small farmers, rural farmers, agribusiness, and most of all us 8 billion humans.